About that mask too. This one keeps going in my mouth.
Which way, Sean? This way or that way?
Look, I'm gonna make a sick video.
Really?
Really.
Okay.
I will. Hopefully the camera can hear me. It's gonna be really windy, but we're gonna go down the street.
Ready?
Yeah. Dude, the hill is not steep enough. Not as epic as I thought it would be. Okay, I had to say something about it because it's just bugging me, but there's a little line in the middle on the GoPro footage when I'm snowboarding. Just ignore it. It's a GoPro software thing. It'll get fixed in the future. So ignore it. It's fine. Now watch the video. Okay. Biggest slope of the day. My hands. Dude, that was fun.
I missed it.
You missed it?
You're gonna break your ankle if you try to fall out like that.
You're gonna break your ankle.
Ooh.
My hands are so cold. Second slope.
Yeah, I hit a bump the last time, and it was bad. That hurt my ass so bad.
Oh! Oh! Oh my god, that was fast. Come on.
Wait a second, my hands are cold.
Oh my gosh. Good job.
Wow, that was intense, man.
Alright, I wanted to really snowboard down the street. Obviously you saw it didn't really work, but Dylan and I just got back from a little drifting. Campus police didn't like that. They stopped us, but you know, he's super cool. He said that was the coolest thing I've ever seen in my life. No, he didn't say that. He said,
I'm sure that's like the coolest. I'm sure this is the coolest thing you guys have seen.
yeah. It's like, I'm sure that looked like blah blah blah.
Pretty sure this was like the coolest shit ever.
But whatever. I just wanted to do a little domes. I didn't want to break anything, so.
Oh, wow!
Wow! Whoa! It's a lot of snow.
Oh. That's solid, man.
So we're making the long trek back to the dorm from my car. It's freezing, it's snowing, but hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thought it was pretty fun to make. Hopefully the GoPro footage looked pretty cool. So I'll see you all in the next one. Let me know what you think in the comments. Peace.